You're watching Dr. Garage, and this video is all about drifting with my friends, because that's the best way to drift.
It's time to go drifting at Rockingham Speedway, like usual. This is kind of my home track. I was here yesterday, did a lot of driving, drove some friends, got some good laps in, but unfortunately had to take some stuff off of my car because, well, like my spoiler here, my Nobi Boost spoiler is breaking, so I had to take it off. We're running the car wingless today, which I haven't done in a very long time, so I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel about it. It's just different. Looks kind of naked without it, but we'll go run it today and see what it's like.
All right, do a lap out, warm up, make sure I'm good, and then we're gonna swap, do some tandems. We good? Yeah, just one. All right, here we go. Do some tandems now, I think. All right, we're gonna do a 3-car train, a little tandem run. Up in front of us we got Alan in his Fox Body Mustang, and then behind us we've got Derek in his C5 Corvette. That was wild.
All right, drivers.
Ooh, that was a hard dirt drop. gonna get some tandems in with my friend Trevor. He just started drifting like last year or two, so he's still kind of getting the hang of things. So I'm gonna give a little bit of a gap, but he was super excited. Last event of the year, he wanted to get some tandems in with me. So I want to drive with my homies, you know. I'm super excited to drive with my buddy here. I don't know how many cars we got, but I think we got a big old train. However many, it don't matter to me.
Alright, everybody. How many cars do you want to hit you?
I don't know. Holy crap!
The tires were dead and I kept going and I went off track. The grip didn't go anywhere. It just went.
That's Mikey. First guy I ever tandem with. He got some tandems in now, but he broke his knuckle. I brought you a present.
Hey, oh, thank you. Hey, at least it's intact and the car is, you know, fixable.
Good knuckle, man. Yeah, get in there.
Holy crap, dude.
Yeah, those ruts are meant for dirt bikes, not cars.
That's crazy. Dude, check this thing out. This is my buddy Corey. He has a beam swapped Corolla wagon, and had an engine failure, but this is his new car. Look at this thing. I love these old Toyota vans. It's so sick. And like the best thing about it is like, okay, check this out.
You see that? 3 pedals. Yeah. It's a freaking manual van, dude. And these, like, so if you don't know what these are, this is a Toyota van. This is from like the 80s. There's obviously no room. You know, the pedals are like right here. So there's obviously the engine is in the front. The engine is under the seats. It's a mid-engine van. Your feet are in front of the front wheels. It's such a weird, neat design. And yeah, you get your engine and transmission here, and it's rear-wheel drive. So awesome. And of course, the van is parked next to my other buddy's Cressida. So it's just like, look at this perfect Toyota 80s time capsule. Like, so cool. This is Corey, this is his van. He's gonna pop the, you don't even, what do you call this? It's not a hood, pop the seats? So we can look at the engine.
There we go.
This is so cool. Is that a, like,
Let me get my,
oh.
there we go.
There we go. Dang, dude. Look at that. You can tell this is 80s tech by all the like 8 million vacuum lines running around in here. And like, is that a copper radiator with a fancy fans?
Actually desoldered that between every port, every passage, and soldered it back together. And I'm not a plumber, so.
That's so cool. This looks like, I mean, they look like Mishimoto or like nice fans on there too.
Dude, those are like $30 eBay fans on a.
I mean, it's got a nice fan shroud. I mean, that's pretty neat,
Yeah.
dude.
Well, the factory manual stuff or mechanical stuff was missing.
Oh yeah, that's where the mechanical fan would have gone there. Yeah.
And I was like, "Where's the stuff that goes?" Like, I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. You want the fan or not? And I'm like, yeah. Okay.
That's so
Make it
cool.
work. It's enough.
I got a picture of this and the Cressida, the MX-73 Cressida's over here earlier was sweet. They park next to each other. So sick. This van is so rad.
I want everyone to ignore all the terrible engine connectors. I know somebody's gonna call me out on that.
No, nobody's, dude. It's a 30-year-old van. Like, he's all worried about all the look at the electrical connectors. Look at all that. Oh no, look at all that, dude. It's a 30-year-old van.
I'm subconscious.
There's always going to be stuff like that. This looks better than the wiring of my 8.6, so I mean, it's fine.
Ready?
Alright, that's it. That's the end. Packed up and going home. This weekend was all about driving with my friends. I got to catch up with quite a few people. It was awesome. Got to drive with some people I hadn't driven with in a long time. This is probably my last drift event in the Carolinas, at least for a while, which really bums me out. I love this track. I've absolutely loved being here at Rockingham and driving with MB Drift, but I've got a few other things in the works that might cause us to change locations. I'm not sure yet. I'm getting teared up a little bit talking about this. I had a few people come up and talk to me and tell me how much they appreciated what I've been doing here with drifting in the Carolinas and with MB Drift, and how much they appreciated me. It really means a lot to me. I love drifting, and I love everything about it. It's my home, it's my hobby, it's what my heart is, and I make all my friends through drifting. In the last couple of years, it's been a little rough. I'd have a few people get mad at me and upset with me. I've had people scream and cuss at me at events, and it sucks. And it didn't make me feel good. It made me second guess some of the stuff I've been doing. But hearing, these people come up and kind of tell me how much they appreciated me, and tell me things like they think that I left a mark here, and the drift community here, and that means a lot. I always try to be a positive force here in drifting or in general, and sometimes I don't come across right. So it's nice to hear that they do appreciate me and appreciate what I've been doing, and think that I'm doing things right. So that was good, and it feels good to know that, it always feels good to hear that you're appreciated. Anyway, that's my little spiel about drifting here, and until next time.